This is how I go through my day and daily routine. I'm using this Milky Ceramide soap. And yes, if you've noticed, I've been working out lately. That's why I'm keeping my skincare gentle and effective. Milky Ceramide combines hyaluronic acid and ceramides in a light, milky formula, giving me deep hydration, bar support, and a calming effect on my skin. It's perfect for both morning prep and nighttime comfort. At night, I follow up with my C Plus serum with glutathione and a good moisturizer. It helps brighten my skin, even out my tone, and fade dark spot. I've been using this for 2 weeks now and I'm already seeing result. Medyo naglalight na din ang mga pimples mark ko and hindi na din nagda-dry yung skin. This combo leaves my skin feeling calm, fresh, and glowing by morning.